Hello, welcome to Platfomer, the show about the tech we use to work, play, and create. Did you know that there was a 3D printing community? We didn't, but here's John to tell us all about it. We're with 3D Printer Village. We have John here explaining what that's all about.
Well, we're a club of enthusiasts. We've built all our own printers. We've got 17 different printers at the show, and we're just showing people how 3D printing works. And it's really fun to show this to kids and adults because they don't understand this technology. It's pretty foreign to most people. We're printing Lego right here, and it's layer by layer, building up on top of each layer. And this piece doesn't actually exist from Lego, but somebody designed it, and we can just hit print, and I've been handing them out to kids all day.
How do you go from the idea to getting it on there?
Well, use a different software package. Any 3D design package can work. And then you save it to your computer using some software specific to the printer. It's just like printing a laser printer, 2 dimensions, but we print in 3D. So the software does all the work. We don't have to worry about drivers and that kind of thing. And this piece takes about 45 minutes to print. Smaller pieces, 10 minutes. We're either using ABS, which is like the Lego, or we're using polylactic acid, which is a form of cornstarch. So it's biodegradable. You can throw it in a compost. 6 months later, it's gone. And the holy grail for us with this stuff is to be able to take a water bottle, put it into a grinder, and then print with that material. So really recycle plastic. I first heard about it at South by Southwest when MakerBot had their prototype, and following it for a while. And then when the CEO of MakerBot was on Stephen Colbert had his head scanned for the show, and they actually printed it live on the show. And I'm like, gave him my credit card the next day, and I got my first printer. And then now this printer, which is the first one I got, has printed other printers.
The printer printed printers.
Yes, it printed this printer here, and then this printer has printed other printers, and so on and so on. So the goal of it is always to be self-replicating. We can't quite do 100% of a new printer, but we can do about 60% of the parts for a new printer.
That's amazing. I just think that seems too futuristic, almost scary.
It is a little scary, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool technology, though, and it really is sort of the Star Trek future here now.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Platfomer. Be sure to subscribe, and always leave your comments below.